Which way is the wind today?
On this episode, we're making cracked out chicken tater tot casserole. In your least stained bowl, bag of tater tots, sour cream, cream of chicken, tablespoon of ranch seasoning, 2 tablespoons of Kinder's the chicken sauce, 2 cups of shredded chicken, cup of crumbled bacon, 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Mix it up. Get your dish. Crack your stir. Add the goodness. Top her off with some heavy smoky nacho. Put it in the oven on 380 for 35 minutes. See you in a bit. Can't even look at you. You're too beautiful. Having a sample. Pairs perfectly with a Diet Pepsi. Get it in ya.